Hi there. Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you join us on our channel, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Here, we dive into the world of woodworking and tiny wooden projects, offering you a treasure trove of inspiration and knowledge. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, our goal is to provide you with engaging content that sparks your imagination and enhances your skills. From DIY tutorials and project ideas to tips on sourcing sustainable materials, we cover everything you need to embark on your own woodworking journey. Our community is all about sharing passion and creativity, so we encourage you to join the conversation, ask questions, and share your own projects with us. As we explore the art of woodworking together, we'll also highlight the importance of sustainability and the beauty of using reclaimed materials. In an age where eco-consciousness is paramount, our channel is dedicated to promoting environmentally friendly practices within the crafting community. We believe that every piece of wood tells a story, and by transforming reclaimed materials into beautiful projects, we can contribute to a more sustainable future. So, grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's make something amazing together. If you're enjoying our content and finding inspiration in our tiny wooden projects, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support helps us reach more woodworking enthusiasts like you and allows us to continue creating valuable content. Don't forget to share our videos with friends and fellow crafters who might also be interested in diving into the world of woodworking. We appreciate your engagement and would love for you to stay with us until the end of the video, where we often include bonus tips, project insights, and a sneak peek at what's coming next. Together, let's build a community of creativity and craftsmanship. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Tiny wooden projects. Tiny wooden projects offer a unique opportunity for individuals looking to turn their woodworking skills into a profitable home-based business. With a growing interest in handmade and artisanal goods, consumers are increasingly drawn to unique, eco-friendly products. These projects can range from simple decorative items to functional home decor pieces. By using reclaimed and unfinished wood, artisans not only create beautiful products, but also contribute to environmental sustainability. This dual focus on craftsmanship and sustainability resonates well with today's eco-conscious consumers, making tiny wooden projects a lucrative business venture. One of the most appealing aspects of tiny wooden projects is their versatility in home decor. Items such as wooden coasters, picture frames, and decorative shelves can be crafted with minimal materials and tools. These products can be customized with various finishes, stains, and designs, allowing artisans to create unique pieces that stand out in the market. By tapping into current design trends, such as minimalist or rustic styles, makers can attract a broader audience. Additionally, these items make excellent gifts, especially during holidays and special occasions, further enhancing their market appeal. Building a brand around sustainability. Incorporating reclaimed wood into tiny projects not only adds character, but also tells a story. Consumers are often willing to pay a premium for products that are environmentally friendly and ethically sourced. By emphasizing the sustainability aspect in marketing efforts, artisans can connect emotionally with their customers. This narrative can be communicated through branding, packaging, and social media, showcasing the transformation of discarded wood into beautiful home decor items. Building a brand that focuses on sustainability can create a loyal customer base that values eco-conscious choices. Exploring functional wooden projects. Beyond decorative items, tiny wooden projects can also encompass functional pieces that serve a purpose in everyday life. For example, small wooden organizers, key holders, or plant stands can enhance the functionality of a home while adding a touch of natural beauty. These items can be marketed as practical solutions for clutter and organization, appealing to consumers looking to improve their living spaces. By highlighting the practicality of these projects, artisans can attract a diverse customer base, including those interested in home improvement and organization. utilizing online marketplaces for sales. With the rise of e-commerce, selling tiny wooden projects online has never been easier. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and social media marketplaces provide artisans with the tools to reach a global audience. By setting up an online shop, creators can showcase their products through high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Effective marketing strategies, such as search engine optimization, SEO, and targeted social media ads, can help drive traffic to their listings. Additionally, engaging with customers through social media can foster a sense of community, encouraging repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Networking with local businesses. In addition to online sales, local markets and craft fairs offer excellent opportunities for artisans to showcase their tiny wooden projects. Establishing connections with local businesses, such as home decor stores or gift shops, can lead to potential partnerships or consignment opportunities. By participating in community events, artisans can gain exposure and connect directly with customers. These face-to-face interactions not only allow for immediate sales, but also provide valuable feedback that can be used to refine products and marketing strategies. Embracing seasonal trends. Seasonal trends can significantly impact the sales of tiny wooden projects. For instance, decorative items for holidays such as Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Halloween can create a surge in demand. Artisans can design themed products, such as wooden ornaments or centerpieces, that capitalize on these seasonal trends. By planning ahead and marketing these items well in advance, creators can maximize their profit potential during peak shopping seasons. Additionally, limited edition products can create a sense of urgency, encouraging customers to make purchases quickly. Incorporating personalization. Personalization is a powerful trend in the home decor market. Offering customized tiny wooden projects, such as engraved name plaques or personalized gift items, can enhance their appeal. Consumers are often willing to pay more for unique, personalized products that reflect their individual tastes. By providing options for customization, artisans can differentiate themselves from competitors and cater to a niche market seeking one-of-a-kind gifts. This approach not only increases sales potential, but also fosters customer loyalty. Sourcing materials responsibly. The choice of materials is crucial in the woodworking business. Sourcing reclaimed wood not only supports sustainability, but also adds unique character to each piece. Artisans should consider local sources for reclaimed wood, such as salvage yards or local businesses that focus on sustainable practices. By emphasizing the story behind the materials used, artisans can enhance the value of their products. Responsible sourcing resonates with eco-conscious consumers, further strengthening the connection between the product and its environmental impact. Marketing through storytelling. Effective marketing for tiny wooden projects often hinges on storytelling. Consumers are more likely to connect with products that have a narrative behind them. Artisans can share the journey of their creations, from sourcing materials to the crafting process. By incorporating storytelling into social media posts, blogs, and product descriptions, makers can engage their audience on a deeper level. This personal touch not only humanizes the brand, but also encourages customers to support artisans whose values align with their own. Creating DIY kits for engagement. Another innovative approach to tiny wooden projects is the creation of DIY kits. These kits can include pre-cut pieces, instructions, and all necessary materials for customers to create their own wooden items at home. This not only opens up a new revenue stream, but also engages customers in a hands-on experience. DIY kits can be marketed to families, schools, or hobbyists, tapping into the growing interest in home-based activities. By providing an educational and enjoyable experience, artisans can foster a sense of community and connection with their brand. Showcasing work through video content. Video content is a powerful tool for marketing tiny wooden projects. Artisans can create engaging videos that showcase their crafting process, highlight the unique features of their products, and provide tips for potential customers. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube offer excellent opportunities for creators to share their work and connect with a wider audience. By demonstrating their expertise and passion through video, artisans can build trust with their audience, leading to increased sales and brand loyalty. Collaborating with other artisans. Collaboration with other artisans can amplify marketing efforts and expand product offerings. By partnering with creators from complementary fields, such as textile artists or ceramicists, woodworkers can create unique, mixed media items that appeal to a broader audience. Joint marketing efforts can also help reach new customer bases, combining resources for events, promotions, or social media campaigns. Collaborations not only enhance creativity, but also foster a supportive community among artisans. Utilizing social media for customer engagement. Social media platforms are essential for marketing tiny wooden projects and engaging with customers. Artisans can use platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase their work, share behind-the-scenes content, and connect with their audience. Regularly engaging with followers through comments, polls, and interactive stories can build a loyal community around the brand. By creating visually appealing content that highlights the beauty and functionality of their products, artisans can attract new customers and encourage repeat business. Identifying and targeting niche markets can enhance the profitability of tiny wooden projects. For instance, creating items specifically for pet owners, gardeners, or parents can cater to distinct customer needs. By understanding the preferences and interests of these niche markets, artisans can tailor their products and marketing strategies accordingly. This focused approach allows for more effective outreach and can lead to increased sales within targeted demographics. Building an email marketing list. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for reaching customers. Artisans should consider building an email list to keep potential and existing customers informed about new products, promotions, and workshops. By offering incentives, such as discounts or exclusive content, artisans can encourage sign-ups. Regular newsletters can foster a sense of community and keep customers engaged, ultimately driving sales and brand loyalty. Assessing market trends. Staying informed about market trends is crucial for the success of any home-based woodworking business. Artisans should regularly research industry developments, consumer preferences, and emerging design trends. By adapting their products and marketing strategies to align with current trends, artisans can remain competitive and relevant in the market. This proactive approach can lead to increased sales and a stronger brand presence. Understanding the importance of customer feedback. Customer feedback is invaluable for refining products and improving the overall business strategy. Artisans should actively seek out reviews and testimonials from customers to gain insights into their preferences and experiences. This feedback can guide product development, marketing efforts, and customer service practices. By demonstrating a commitment to listening to customers, artisans can build trust and loyalty, ultimately leading to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Embracing the journey. In conclusion, tiny wooden projects present a myriad of opportunities for those looking to start a profitable home-based business. By focusing on sustainability, creativity, and effective marketing strategies, artisans can create unique products that resonate with today's consumers. Whether through online sales, local markets, or community engagement, the potential for success is vast. As artisans embark on this journey, embracing the challenges and celebrating the successes will pave the way for a fulfilling and profitable venture in the world of woodworking. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found inspiration and valuable insights in our tiny wooden projects. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Your engagement helps us grow our community and continue to create content that sparks creativity and passion in all of us. We look forward to bringing you more exciting projects and ideas, so stay tuned for our next video.